To apply for the Book Angel program, please first visit the Shop section of Seedling's website. Here you may browse the different sections of Braille books which we carry, or use the search function to look up a specific title. You may add a book to your cart by selecting the small Add button found below each listing, or show details to see further information. After selecting the 5 titles you would like to receive, you will go to your cart to complete the application process. Now locate the coupon code box below the 5 titles you selected. The coupon code for the Book Angel program is BAP. Then select Apply Coupon. This coupon code will remove the cost of your books and make the total price $0. Then select Proceed to Checkout. To complete your shipping information, you must confirm the child receiving these books is visually impaired and below the age of 21. Now enter your relationship to the child's full name and age, and the child's home address. Please note this is all required information to apply for the Book Angel program. Now please provide your information under billing details. If you are a teacher or other professional, please indicate if the address provided is a work address or a home address. If you would like to ship to a location other than the child's residence, please locate and select the Ship to a Different Address box. It is above the How would you describe yourself and order notes. Please note that all Book Angel orders ship through the United States Postal Service's Free Matter for the Blind. Free Matter for the Blind shipping takes 1 to 3 weeks domestically and 4 to 8 weeks internationally. Please contact us if you require further assistance placing your order.